Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this vine leaf pen cover. It's a quick and easy pattern. I'm going to show you from start to finish here. In the description below you'll find a link to the written pattern as well as a list of the materials needed. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this project we're going to begin with making the leaf. We're going to start with a chain of 15. So we're going to make a starting loop and get that onto our hook. So to make your starting chain, you're going to yarn over and pull right through your loop. Yarn over, pull through. So we're going to do that for 15. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to treble crochet into the third chain from our hook and then into each of the next 5 chains. Okay, so let's first find our third chain. So 1, 2, third chain from our hook, we're going to treble crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice. Push your hook into that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've now got 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that's your treble crochet stitch. Okay, so we're going to do that again into each of the next 5 chains. So 6 treble crochets is what we want right now. Okay, so we just did one together. Let's go into the next chain. So we're going to yarn over twice, push our hook into that next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. There's 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So we're going to do that in a total of 6. So we have 1, 2, you're going to go ahead and do 4 more treble crochets. Okay, so let's work on that together. That's our third of the 6 that we need. 4, 5, just gotta get more yarn, and 6. Okay, so we've got our total of 6 treble crochets worked. Now into each of the next 3 chains, we're going to work a double crochet into each one. So yarn over once, push your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook right now. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And we're going to go ahead and work that 2 more times. So a total of 3 double crochets into each of those following stitches. All right. Now we're going to work 1 half double crochet into each of the next 2 chains. So yarn over, push your hook into that next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull right through all 3 of them. And do that again in the next chain. Another half double crochet. We're going to single crochet into the next. So push your hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And in the very last chain, we're going to work a slip stitch. So push your hook in, yarn over, and just pull right through your loop. All right, so we've got one side of our leaf done. All right, so now we're going to chain 1 and turn your work so you're working back down the other side of the starting chain. And in that very first one, we're going to work a single crochet. In that first chain there, going back down the other side of our work. Oh, sorry. So single crochet. And then we're going to work a half double crochet into each of the next 2 chains. Okay, double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Then we're going to treble crochet into each of the next 6 chains. And then to that very last chain, we're going to work a double crochet. Okay, so now from this point, you're going to take your hook and push it right into, at the beginning of our chain, we started working into the 3rd chain from the hook. So we have our very, very first little loop here that we never did work in. And that's right at the top, right in the center of our work. So we're going to push our hook in there and slip stitch. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to close by going right back into that same spot that we slip stitch into. Okay, we're going to chain 1. Now you can turn your work so you can have a better view. We're going to start working up this way. So we're going to work 1 single crochet into every stitch all the way around that one little ring that we just made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the first one here can be tricky to get into, 5. Now over here, and this is where you might want to be using a stitch marker, it's up to you, but you're going to want to close your round into the chain 1 space. So we're going to close our round with a slip stitch right into the chain 1 at the beginning of this little round. Okay, we're going to chain 1. Again, you can put a stitch marker there to keep track of that chain. And we're going to work 1 single crochet into every stitch, each of those 5 stitches all the way around. Once you get a couple of rounds in, it will get easier to see your stitches. It can be pretty tricky to get the full stitch. There we go. See that there? And 5. I hope you can see it okay. I know it's small. Stitch into your chain 1. Chain 1. I'm going to try and let you see this round. Will be easier to see. Just 1 single crochet into each of those 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, close with your slip stitch. You're going to keep on doing that until you get to the length that you want. For a standard pen size, you're going to want to work for 25 rounds in total. So go ahead and work those rounds and then come back and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so now that you finished all of those rows, you could just weave in your tail ends to hide and secure with a yarn needle. And you're just going to go ahead and feed your pen into your pen cover. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this pattern. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the helpful links in the description below.